For Sparta! For glory! Hold the line! Attack with precision! Loose! You dare challenge me?
Learn how to create cinematic videos using AI. So to get the link of the website, kindly click on the link in the description of this video to get to this website. And the name of the website is called Higgsfield AI. So when you click on that link, you'll be brought right here, and this is the interface. With Higgsfield AI, you can create influencer videos, you can create videos, cinematic videos, and images that looks so real. But for today's tutorial, we're going to be working with Cinema Studio. Cinema Studio by Higgsfield turns simple text or images into cinematic videos. Describe a scene or upload an image and it creates a movie-style clip with realistic motion, effects, and professional camera angles. You can choose formats like YouTube, TikTok, vertical, or 16:9. You can also control video length, which is either 5 seconds or 10 seconds. You can also choose a start and end frame for your video. You can as well choose your camera movement, how you want the camera movement to be. You can also choose that. And then you can also choose sound and lighting. Everything happens in one seamless workflow so that your video looks real, like real movies and not typical AI video clips. So with that, let's go ahead to create our images first, and then we're going to animate them into videos. So here I already pasted my prompt, the first prompt, and then I want to generate 2 images. So I'm going to click on these 2 here and then go ahead to generate. So now I have my image ready. So I'm going to go ahead and choose any of these images. So I'm going to go ahead and download it. Also, there's something I want to show you about this image. Now, if you go ahead and click on this image, you're going to get the details of this image. I mean, the information about the image that was generated. You can see here, you can see that there's a cinematic studio. You can see here the feature, it says cinematic studio, the camera, the lens, the focal length, and everything. These are all the details that was used to generate this image. Then you can go ahead and download it right here at the bottom. Okay. Now, there's also something new I discovered about Higgsfield. This is a new feature. When you tap on your image, you're going to click and hold it, and then you're going to see this right here. This is going to come up. Now, go ahead and click on what's next. When you click on what's next, you're going to see some features. Now, you can see what's next. It's a new feature. You can multi-shot it. You can see. Okay. Now, you're going to go ahead and click on what next. Now, when you click on what's next, it's going to generate another image for you. And then you can now choose from these images which one best suits your needs. So go ahead and click on what next. Now, one good thing I love about this website is that when we clicked on what's next, that what next is going to generate multiple images for you. Okay, you can generate multiple images using just one image. Okay, now take a look at this particular image that we generated. All right, just scroll to the side and you're going to see different scenes that was created using just one image. With this, you can go ahead and generate a full video. You can see it. Now, take a look at this next one also. Multiple scenes. You see, multiple scenes has been generated for us using just one image. And with this, you can go ahead and create your video. So the next thing you're going to do, you can go ahead and download each of the image. So you can download each of the image as a single file. But if you come down here to this particular download here, it's going to download all the images as one file, which we do not want. Now, this is an example of what I'm talking about. So we don't want that. We want each image as each file. And then you can go ahead, click on the image and click the download button at this place here. This very one. So I'm going to download each of the images. So when you are done downloading all your images, you can go ahead and animate them. But before we continue, let's take a look at the pricing of Higgsfield AI. They offered paid plan as low as $9 per month, and we have the pro plan of $17.4 per month. Right here, we have the ultimate plan, which is $24, and for the creators plan, you have $37 per month. You can also create multi-shots from one image, which is this multi-shots right here. And when I did that, this is the result I got right here. You can see now with one image, you can create multi-shots for your video. So my video is ready. All my videos have been generated. All I needed to do was to come over here to upload my reference image. And right here, I entered my video prompt. And then I went to choose the Kling 2.6 video model. Click on Kling. I chose the Kling 2.6 video model. And then I generated for 10 seconds and I went ahead to generate my video. I hope you found value for this tutorial. If you do, please like my video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell so that you can always get notified whenever I upload new video. You can also join our WhatsApp group and our Telegram channel where we share important updates and ideas together. Kindly click on the link in the description of this video to join the Telegram channel and the WhatsApp group. And until I see you again in my next video, bye.